Hi guys, today we're going to talk about a stock that can double in the short term, but can 10 times in the long term. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss out on this one. Guys, today I'm excited to talk about a new SPAC that I came across, and I've really been doing a lot of research onto this company. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the pros and the cons, but I'm gonna break it down for you because it's really interesting. It's a really interesting SPAC. For those that don't know what a SPAC is, there is a link below with a video that we made on SPACs. Please log in there and you can see what it'll go into further details on what a SPAC is. But in this particular video, we're going to talk about a company that is being backed by one of the biggest names in the industry, okay? And I'm going to let you know why I'm putting my money in there and what can you expect to gain out of this stock, okay, in the future, long term. So let's get right to it. The company that we're speaking about today is Bridgetown, okay? Ticker symbol BTWN. Now, a lot of people might not know what this stock is about or what they do, okay? They're a blank check company. So basically, in a SPAC, there's a blank check company which provides the funds to fund a company, and then there's a company that's already active in the market. Now, I'm going to give you a breakdown of who's behind this company and what they're doing at the current moment. Okay, there has been some videos coming out as recently about Bridgetown, and the information is like outstanding. But I want to break it down in my terms, what I think about this, and I want to give you guys my 2 cents about this whole situation. And I think this can be a really nice company to invest some money in, especially at this point, especially at this price. Okay, we are currently invested at, we only have 150 shares. I am looking to add more shares, but I'm parking my money here. Okay, and for those that don't know, in a SPAC there's a certain level that can only drop down to. So for this particular SPAC, the level is $10. So the stock cannot go below $10. Our price here is at $12.43. $12.43. We have 150 shares. But I want to tell you, and I want to break down the intriguing portion about this SPAC here. Okay, I want to tell you that whenever I do business, and I'll put some links below, we do, you know, we do investing in stocks, but we also do real estate. And whenever we hire people to work for us, we're always looking for people that know more than us. I always want to hire somebody, or I want to look for people that can do things better than myself. Okay. So as I've done, and I've dug more information into this company, Bridgetown is backed by 2 people, and the 2 people that it's backed by are incredible, to be honest with you. And that's why I'm so interested in this company. So one of the persons that it's backed by is Richard Lee. Okay, and if we go to the screen here, Richard Lee comes from one of the wealthiest families in Hong Kong. Okay, he's a Hong Kong businessman right here. Richard Lee, a Hong Kong businessman and a philanthropist. He founded, chairman of the private investing group Pacific Century Group. Okay, he's currently, Forbes listed his net worth in 2020 at 4.5 billion, ranking him 20th on its list of richest business people in Hong Kong. Okay, so that's a big name there, the Lee family. But it doesn't stop there. He's the son of one of the richest persons in the world. Okay, so he comes from one of the richest families in Hong Kong. Now, it only gets better from here. Now, the reason why I was intrigued with this company was because he got together with a person by the name of Peter Thiel, which, if you don't know who he is, I'm going to break it down for you, okay? This is what I'm talking about when I say I want to invest my money into companies that I see the people that are at the top, that they know what they're doing, okay? This guy right here, Peter Thiel, is one of the brightest minds in the industry. He's very smart. He's an excellent businessman. And I'm going to tell you some of the companies that he's been associated with, okay? Some of the companies that he's been associated with, okay? He's co-founded PayPal in 1999, serving as a chief executive officer, until a sale to eBay in 2002 for $1.5 billion, okay? He co-founded PayPal. Now, if you don't know what PayPal is, then you must be hiding underneath the rock, because PayPal is one of the biggest companies in regards to money exchanges that's in the market today, okay? Huge. Not only that, let's continue. After PayPal, he founded Clarion Capital, a global macro hedge fund based in San Francisco. In 2004, he launched Palantir Technologies. Now, I did not know he was behind Palantir Technologies until I started doing more research, okay? So Palantir Technologies is just a recent, same thing, SPAC that just came out recently. He's associated with them as well. And Palantir Technologies has been increasing ever since it came out. It started off at $9, and I think currently it's like at $27 or $28. So I'm looking at this guy, Peter Thiel, and I'm saying to myself, okay, this guy is pretty smart. He can vision what's going to happen in the future. I want to associate myself with people that can envision what's going to happen in the future. Now, I never knew that PayPal in 1999 was going to be as big as it is now. But he certainly did. He knew. Therefore, I want to associate my capital into those type of companies, right? With those type of people running the companies. Let's continue. Earlier, Thiel became Facebook's first outside investor when he acquired a 10.2% stake for $500,000 in August 2004. Let me stop there. $500,000 in 2004, okay? $500,000. He acquired a 10% stake. You know how much Facebook is worth now? It's unbelievable the companies that he's associated with, and that years later you come to know and realize and say, wow, this company is great. Wow, this other company. Wow, Facebook. Wow, PayPal. Wow, Palantir Technologies. Maybe Palantir Technologies in 10 years from now will be $250 as well. So let's whenever I'm looking for something like this, I'm connecting the dots, okay? That's what I like to do. I like to connect the dots. I like to do smart investments where we can invest money now, but 10 years from now, it'll be 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times, 100 times. Who knows? It doesn't stop there. Let me continue. Now, the reason why this company caught my attention was very simple. Last week, I'm going to go back. Back to last week, which was basically like the middle of last week, December 15th, December 16th. There was rumors Tokopedia picks Morgan Stanley City to manage debut listing. Okay, now let me go here. It says Indonesia's e-commerce giant Tokopedia said it has hired Morgan Stanley, blah, 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 Citigroup, plan to go public, okay? Right here. The comments come after Bloomberg News reported. Bloomberg News, now those that don't know, Bloomberg News is huge, okay? So whenever they report something, it's a strong reporting. People will go off of their news because their news is solid. Bloomberg News reported Bridgetown Holdings, the blank check company backed by billionaire Richard Lee and Peter Thiel, is considering a potential merger with Tokopedia. The special purpose acquisition company is exploring the structure and feasibility of a deal with Tokopedia. The SoftBank Group Corp-backed firm could be valued at $8 billion to $10 billion in a transaction. Okay? For those that don't know, I'll show you what Tokopedia is all about. Tokopedia is basically one of Indonesia's like biggest marketplaces. I'm talking about big, like maybe like Mercado Libre in Latin America, which Mercado Libre's stock currently is $1,000 plus, but it started at about 10-15 years ago at $10. So this is the type of growth that I'm talking about. Okay, crazy growth. Okay, now Tokopedia, if it were to merge with BTWN, Bridgetown, the stock is going to skyrocket up, okay? Because Tokopedia is not only backed by SoftBank, which I just mentioned. Tokopedia is also backed by Google. It's also backed by Alibaba, okay? So there's big backers in this company. Now, if it does merge with BTWN, like I said, the stock is going to skyrocket, okay? If it doesn't merge, it's okay. This is just like a plus to this whole deal, because there's other companies that they could merge with. Now, one thing I have read is that BTWN, Peter Thiel, and Richard Lee are looking for a Asian company involved in technology. So they're looking for that sector, okay? At this point, after reading everything and all this information that I've given you guys, I don't care. Peter Thiel, I'll let you decide, because your decisions have been pretty damn good for the past 20 years, okay? And it's brought you to this point. So I'm gonna run with it, guys. I'm gonna run with it. I'm gonna park my money in this stock. I'm telling you right now, guys, that if this stock merges with Tokopedia, it's gonna double in the short term. Double. I'm talking about $25, double, okay? In the long term, I gave you the example of Mercado Libre, Amazon. We also have C Limited. So all these companies, this is where the future is going, guys. So if it weren't to get with Tokopedia, that's fine. That's fine as well. But for now, if it does, this stock is going to blow up. And if it doesn't, it's going to still blow up, because no matter the company, when you're backed by these two names and this type of, information, it's valuable. It's valuable. And this is what I'm doing. I'm not giving you financial advice, but I'm giving you a heads up. Look into the stock. Do your own research. I'm super excited about this company. I'm going to continue to invest in it on the dips. We don't know the company that it's going to merge with, okay? But we have an idea of what they're looking for. So if it does happen, look for the price to go up heavy, heavy, heavy. So with that, guys, I want to leave you. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe, like this video if you gained anything out of it. I'm just giving you my 2 cents, guys. I'm giving you my 2 cents. I'm giving you what I look for in a company. I'm giving you my research. I'm giving you my time. Do what you want with it, but at the end of the day, we're going to look back at this company, okay? We're going to look back at this company, and we will see what it does. And hopefully by then, hey, we made the right decision. Have yourself a great day. Enjoy. Take care, and God bless. Peace.